English idioms in action. Understanding, replace the stove. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, replace the stove. This phrase is a great example of how everyday objects can be used in idiomatic expressions. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understanding, stay tuned. First, let's break down the literal meaning. The word replace means to take something out and put something new in its place. A stove is a kitchen appliance used for cooking. So, literally, replace the stove means to remove an old stove and install a new one. Interestingly, in English, this phrase can also have a figurative or idiomatic meaning. When someone says, replace the stove, they might be talking about making a significant change or updating an old way of doing things. It's about changing something that's no longer efficient or up to date. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The restaurant decided to replace the stove to improve their cooking efficiency. 2. Sometimes in life, you have to replace the stove to keep up with new technologies. In these examples, the phrase can be both literal and metaphorical. English is full of similar expressions. For instance, change gears, or out with the old, in with the new. These phrases, like replace the stove, often signify change or updating something outdated. And that's a wrap on replace the stove. Remember, understanding idiomatic expressions can really enrich your English learning journey. We hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.